morning and welcome to beautiful Japan. I'm Martin Berry.
And I'm Grant Baker.
And today we are at the world famous driving and often drifting location of Hakone Turnpike, just near Mount Fuji. So Grant, what are we going to be driving today?
We're going to be driving the V12 Lusso and also the brand new Portofino, the first Portofino on the road in Japan.
Fantastic. It's going to be really interesting to see the differences between these two cars. Both can seat 4 people. One has around about 600 horsepower in the Portofino, and the Lusso has about roughly 700 horsepower from that V12 engine. So I think it's got to be a lot of fun. What are you looking forward to the most?
Getting up the hill before you, really.
Okay, it sounds like a challenge. Challenge accepted. Let's go have some fun. So welcome to the top of the Hakone Turnpike.
Yeah, thanks very much.
It was a lot of fun getting up here, wasn't it?
I know, thanks for chasing me so close behind.
And that view of Mount Fuji is pretty epic, right?
It is, it's a postcard.
Yeah, absolutely stunning. So tell me, you're in this, the Portofino?
Yeah, well, I've been at it for a whole morning now. I'm really enjoying it. So we had a bit of leisurely driving, and of course we had a pretty good bang up the hill. Yep. But it was really good. It was really good. Good performance, goes quick, it's got a lot of horsepower. Yeah. Handles really nicely, and even when you want to slow it down, it's really nice as well.
Yeah. Now this car looks really good. I think that watching it from the behind, going up the hill, it looks good. It was squiggling a little bit here and there.
I was wiggling it for you.
But no, it's a really good looking car, and you can hear those shifts too. They sound quite aggressive.
And what about the Lusso? How was that?
I mean, the Lusso is always a lot of fun. Yeah, I love the drive up.
Yeah, it looked good in the evening. Just had to mention that.
You're lucky there's not 2 lanes up here, and I couldn't put it past
all those yellow lines.
Yeah. So from here we're going to head to the skyline. So we get some more fun on the way back down again. So let's see what happens.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Well, we're back at the hotel with our 2 cars, nicely in one piece, still looking pristine, and we had an absolutely fantastic day, didn't we? Yeah. So you're in the Portofino this afternoon. Yep. What do you reckon?
Ah, look, all the things you were saying before. This car's really quite impressive, right? Yeah. Ferrari's known for making fantastic engines, and I was really impressed with this thing. As you saw, pulling out of the corners in 2nd gear, the thing just goes, doesn't it? Absolutely bolts, and I love those cracks as you upshift up the hill. So you're in the Big Daddy and the Granddaddy, the Lusso?
Yeah, I'd just like to point out, what is the effect of that wide-angle lens? You look like you're pulling away. But at the end of each corner I was back with you. So,
True.
Yeah, but it was great hearing that noise from you. So, and the crack of the exhaust sound fantastic.
Yeah. So that brings to a close our last sort of 24 hours in Japan, driving across Hakone and around the Fuji area, off the back of having raced here in Fuji and Ferrari Challenge. So it's been an amazing time. Now we're heading off to London. Got some exciting things lined up there. So stay tuned, and we'll see you later. See ya.
See you later.